What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the travels. Welcome to 2023. I know it's been so long since I've uploaded, but I have a brand new series, obviously a brand new intro, and I'm here at a brand new state park. Where am I at? I'm at Waterfalls State Park in Rifle, Colorado. I already see the falls right behind me, so I'm just gonna get to it and enjoy this amazing park. So you can see the falls right behind me, and the first trail I'm hitting is called the Coyote Trail, and along this route I believe there are 2 caves. About, and I think this is one of the caves. It makes me feel like I'm back in Cave City, Kentucky, where they have Mammoth Cave. I know obviously this is not Mammoth Cave whatsoever, but it's just like some of these formations are just like super cool. You know, I'm no like, you know, geologist in any way. You know, I'm a meteorologist, but I think this is like super cool. I even know Glenwood Caverns has a few caves that people can go into. So if you guys haven't seen that vlog, I'll go ahead and link that one down in the description. But this is pretty cool. So I'm at this intersection right now. So right behind me is the Bobcat Trail. And then right over here is still the main Coyote Trail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue on along the Coyote Trail, and then we're gonna kind of work our way back, and then we'll go ahead and hit up the Bobcat Trail. And apparently there's a cascade somewhere a little bit further, about a mile down this trail. So I think it'd be pretty cool to see. But we're just gonna continue on the Coyote Trail, and then we'll be back. This is super cool. It's just like you can walk just above the falls, and then you obviously have the very bottom where you can see the entire falls and all its natural glory. So I think it's really cool, but I think this is gonna head back down, so we will loop right back around, and then we'll head up on the Bobcat Trail, and let's see what that trail has to offer. guys, well, I am on the Bobcat Trail. We're gonna take this all the way up to whenever it ends, and then I think it's just a one-way trail. So then we'll go ahead and spin back around, and then that will be it for here at Rifle Falls State Park. Now I did check the map. There's like another trail. I think it's called the Squirrel Trail. We won't be doing that in this vlog, but when I come back, we'll go ahead and tackle that one as well. So right here is the fishing ponds. You can fish here, but the trail that we're taking that goes wherever it is, you can't fish up there. I did see it. So yeah, this is it's a little bit of an incline. Alright guys, this park keeps just blowing my mind away with these very beautiful waterfalls. In fact, actually, when I was right over here, just taking a look at the, just the natural beauty, I literally thought it almost feels like I was like in the Smokies, like the Smoky Mountain National Park, or maybe somewhere in Kentucky. It's just so gorgeous. I mean, at first I knew about the big falls at the very beginning, but little did I know there's a lot more if you take the Coyote Trail, if I'm even on the right trail, to be honest with you. So yeah, we got some damn geese right over there. So I really don't know how much farther I have to hike. I'm assuming it might be this building right there. I really don't know. I really don't know. So I think I'm just gonna hike for just a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna turn around. I don't think I am on a Coyote Trail because it said it was about like a mile and a half, and I've been hiking for like 2 miles. So I did kind of go off course just a little bit, but that's okay. All right, let's see what else there is. Oh, fun fact really quickly. This area right here, it's all a fish hatchery. So no fishing, no, stuff like that. So, but yeah, there you go. And the view is gorgeous. All right, guys. Well, I was kind of correct. I mean, you got this little tiny building right there. And then you got this, I don't know what this is right here. You got another building and just some big wide open spaces. So yeah, this is the end of the Coyote Trail, so to say, if that's even the case. I think it is. So I'm gonna end it right here. This place is amazing. Even though it is a small park, the trails, they go on for somewhat of a distance, so, but you're not going to be let down if you decide to hike some of these trails, just with the little natural beauties and the little waterfalls and everything like that. So, but this is my first vlog of 2023. I have so many other places I'm going to be going to. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed here at Rifle Falls State Park with me. Hopefully you guys have a chance to come out here and visit. So until then, I will see you guys in the next adventure. Peace out.